have a cop come on, I don't know what it is. It's at North Park.
Now tell me what happened.
We heard 3 pops. I didn't know if it was fireworks. We're sitting on our deck.
Okay.
And this white truck went up over the curb and on like the park strip. People are screaming. A car pulled over.
Okay.
And they're freaking out.
I just want to see if that's my friend who's dead.
Start medical. Gunshot to the head. Oh, full pulse. Did you guys witness any of this?
She saw 2 young kids with a bike left over there that shot, and then they took off out that way. That gentleman over there on that house tried to chase after them, but I don't know.
That one right there, the black shirt.
Okay.
Did you see the guy that shot?
No, I live right there, so all I can see is the truck coming, rolling in this way.
Did she see him?
She did. She saw them.
What did he look like?
They were thick. Eran flacos, blancos, y uno tenía short rojo y camiseta roja.
So she saw it happen. She says 2 gentlemen males wearing red shirts, yellow shorts with black stripes, wearing red hats. They took off that way. This gentleman right here in the black shirt chased after him after they took off. Okay. Can you explain to me what you saw?
I just saw someone running just from the bike.
Just somebody running on a bike?
Yeah, I got out after I heard the 3 gunshots.
Okay.
And I started running. Well, that bike, someone dropped the bike off and left running.
That
bike? I don't know
bike?
if they were being chased. I just saw the one person running that way.
Just running that way. What did he look like?
I didn't catch it.
So the guy starts to drive away. Yeah, it was just probably from here, like, from here to there. Kicked the truck around here. And the other kid came back and just shoot. Boom, boom, boom.
So, according to the witness that Reich was talking to up there, the shooting occurred right there at the intersection. Okay. Kids on the bike pulled up to the truck. Kid pulled out a gun, opened up on him.
You know if he had any issues with anybody?
Nah, bro, this is a good ass kid, man. Literally, bro, hard ass worker, bro. That's why he's my friend, just from working, bro. You know. I just want to know if he's okay.
I just want to see if that's my friend who's dead.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know who that is. But
I know that's his truck. That's Fernando's truck. We just want to know is he okay or what?
yeah, I don't know, man.
Those flip-flops right there, they were running and they dropped it, and I see it right here.
Okay, is this your house?
Yes.
Let me go talk to my partners, and then I'll come back over here and talk to you about the video and take a look at it.
Okay, sounds good.
Hello.
Yes?
Hey, so we're looking for somebody involved in a shooting. Is there any way we can get to your backyard? You saw your sign about your dogs. Are they inside?
Yeah, they're inside. What?
So there was a shooting just around the corner over here. We got hounds and dogs out. We actually took somebody in custody. We found some evidence over here in the neighboring yard just to the north of you. So we were trying to see if we could get into your yard and work and see if they dropped anything or anybody hiding.
Yeah, there's a lot of garbage over there on the side.
Okay, well that's okay. We're not worried about that. We're just looking to make sure that there's nobody buried in your yard hiding out and they were armed.
Yeah, I understand. Let me, I have to let you in through my garage door. Through my main door.
We just want to make sure we can check and we're not losing anything.
Okay, hold on just a second.
Is anybody else home with you?
Just my husband.
Oh, okay.
And my son's upstairs.
Okay. Was there any conversation over the fence or anything like that?
No.
Okay, you guys didn't hear anybody jumping through your yard over the fence?
No.
So, just had a couple questions for you.
Yes.
So what time did your son come home?
It was about, I would have to say about a half hour before the police came.
And you said you do have a camera, is that right?
Yes. I have a back camera and I have a front.
Did he say, like, anything about what happened today?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Like, we were completely surprised.
I'll be honest with you, this is a homicide investigation. Your son is a very viable suspect in it.
Like, actually committing?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I don't see how he would do anything like this. I'm really dumbfounded by this.
What is it that you think happened?
I don't know what happened, to be honest. All I heard is somebody say something about a homicide, and I just can't imagine that my son would be involved in anything like that.
So who's the one walking around with the other shirt on back there?
I can't even know who that is. I had no idea this person was here.
Do you know Joseph?
I do know a Joseph. Is that who that is? I had no idea he was even at my house.
What's your name?
Joseph.
Joseph. Okay, we're gonna go inside. You're gonna go sit in the room.
It's cold.
Don't have a seat in that same chair, man.
Right there. You're cold? What I am, shut up. I need you to watch this and you tell me what we're looking at here. That's the white truck you can see driving by, right? See that? So obviously that white truck goes by, and that's you guys running. So tell me what happened. You didn't mention the running part. Like I said, he's confirming, like you said, he's wearing that do-rag, you guys were there and you're running. He's saying you're the one that freaking pulled the trigger, so that's what we're going off of right now.
Well, I don't know what he's talking about. You know, the funny thing is you haven't even asked what you've been arrested for. It's like, do you know? No. Do you have no idea? But wouldn't you want to know why you're in handcuffs?
Obviously, you guys know.
Person who, I guess, is looking at going to jail would probably want to know what they're going to jail for. You didn't even ask. It's like you already knew.
You're a weird yawner. Do you have problems breathing, or are you that tired?
I told you what I was doing.
I know. You were hanging out with him, and he says you guys weren't doing that.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Why do you lie on me like that?
I have no idea. Obviously, he's saying something else. So.
Yeah, he is. So the question is, do you want to be a witness to something you saw, or do you want to be the suspect who shot somebody?
Neither.
Alright, so since you don't know, and you don't know anything about anything, we should just go off of what he's saying. Yes? So, you shot the guy in the white truck?
I guess so.
Why do you say that?
Because that's what he said, right?
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you. A person knows if they did that or not.
Which I didn't. I told you I didn't do anything.
Okay, but if you're gonna say, if that's what he said, then that's what I did, what does that even mean?
I didn't say if that's what he said, that's what I did.
You said, I guess, if that's what he said.
I guess. That's what he's saying, right? So... What else am I supposed to say?
Exactly what happened.
Oh, I did it?
You're not a dumbass.
I'm not.
I know you're not. So you know exactly what I'm asking you.
Yeah, I told you.
You didn't tell me shit.
I told you what I know.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No. What happened to your white shirt?
Huh?
You heard me.
I don't know.
It just went poof and disappeared. Cool. Alright. Well, we'll just go with what he's saying then, unless you have something else to say. No?
Got nothing else to say.
Cool.
Bye.